My dear brother, my dear sister, have you ever said to yourself, just one more time and then I'll stop? Have you ever felt strong in the morning only to feel defeated by the time that the night comes? Have you ever hated something you return to but felt you're unable to let it go? This is the heart that is fighting addiction.
How are we going to stop these sins? Wallahi, I will discuss it with you and I want you to implement it the next time your nafs calls you to a sin.
If you are addicted to a particular sin, every time you fall into that sin, get up, make wudu, pray 2 rak'at. This is heavy on the shaitan. Every time you do it. Yes, it looks like a burden, but try it and then see where you end up. It's only a matter of time. When you keep showing Allah Azza wa Jal that I want to change, that I want to become better, I don't care if you've fallen into that sin 100 times. Every time go and do it and see where you end up.